Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I love 164 and we are back with another unboxing. And this time we are having a theme of Advan to unbox. So actually, I was collecting these from quite some time. So I was thinking to do an unboxing irrespective of the fact that these are from different brands. Like this one is from Mini GT, this one is from Inno 64, and this one is from the Pop Race. So I'm doing unboxing for these cards today, and we'll start with the Pop Race one, right? Let's do it and put these aside. I guess this is the first Pop Race card that I have got, and I got this because it's a cool skyline and have opening hood and also the livery. I love this livery. Look at this. I'm just totally in love with this car. This skyline is dope. Look at those details of Advan livery, and then we have Advan on the tires as well, and then we are having these detailings here. I mean, this is so awesome. The silencer is coming out like wow, just wow. The back is quite simple, just usual Advan. Look at this details on the wheels. Oh my god. And they roll perfectly. They roll perfectly. We have carbon fiber here on this bottom. Look at those headlights and the GT-R logo on it. Pop Race is a little expensive than the Mini GTs, and now we know the reason why. Because these are even more detailed and better. They also have opening parts. Let's open this up. Oh wow. What do you have in here? I think it's a bottle or something. Not just the opening parts, but it does have detailings also. I don't know how this one's open. Oh, let me try. Wait a second. Yeah, it popped out. Look at that engine detail. Oh wow, this is so cool, so amazing. Let's show this one. Yeah, it rolls perfectly, so smooth. Let's park it here. Let's park it here. And I'm going to do the unboxing for Inno 64 now. This is a very normal packaging, just like other Innos, but just in Advan livery. It's a LBWK RX-3 Savanna. I will try to take this out without damaging the outer layer. And yeah, I did it. I did it perfectly. So, as we know, these Inno 64s come with this acrylic case, and sometimes these details are really cool on the background. Sometimes they are just simple backgrounds. Like I have one of the Ferraris. I think I should remove this from the base. So I'll do it on the off camera, so just give me a moment. So it's finally separated from the base, and now have a look on the car. wheels are really small, really tiny, and they do not roll really good. Though these one rolls fine, but these one don't. The front wheels don't roll good. We know this is the problem with the Inno sometimes. We know that. Look at these details. Where simple yet unique back with those silencers and a number plate. Let's have a look on the front. They both have same kind of headlights. I mean the colors, one is white and one is yellow. The grill is very perfect. We have LBWK logo on the front. There are some detailings on the bottom, and here's the top. There's a roll cage in it. And we have this, I don't know, it's a Japanese. Oh my god. These wipers are like, these are plastic wipers and they are on the top of the mirror. This is really highlighted. I really loved it. Wow, this is awesome. Amazing. Let's do the roll test. No, it doesn't roll good. The front wheels do not roll. This is the problem. It's a bummer, but it's fine because I'm going to place it in the shelf finally. And here we have this padlock service stand. So I'm going to do the unboxing of this and then we'll see how to install it. This looks cool. And this is the set of wheels. Next set of wheels. We probably cannot put them in any car. It's just for the showcase. And this is the other stuff. These are the logos of Advan, and this looks cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to install this first and then we'll show it on the camera. I'm going to do this off camera. You know what, I was thinking to do this on off camera, but then I thought maybe some of you wanted to see something like this. So let's install this on camera. And if you don't like it, you can just fast forward it. So these are really small pieces we have. Let's first install these. I was thinking this would be tough, but it's not. It's really simple. This one here. So this is ready. But still, there are some things left to put on this. These flags. Let's put all these 4 flags on the top of it. These are really, yeah, better. I need to push them a little hard. And at the same time, I was concerned that I should not break something. So, yeah, they're on the place. This looks really cool. Look at this. This looks cool, right? And now let's place the wheels, the extra set of wheels we have. These are really cool wheels, but we do not have the hub in them so that you can use it in some other car. They're just for the, to put them on the side of this padlock. It rolled away. This looks cool. Now let's place both the cars between. One goes like this. The other one comes like this. So that you can see how cool it looks. Wow. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this cool setup? I'm going to keep it on the side actually until I get another one cool setup. So let me know what you say, what do you think about this, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.